Hey everyone, hope you're all well on this more fine lovely weekend morning. I just want to do a quick test and see if this what's it called, Neji-Saurus actually does what it's supposed to do. So as you can see, if I can get to focus, you see the teeth on this set of pliers go in this direction downwards as well, and this basically is a 22mm T-piece and a 1/2 inch center, basically with a PRV here, and I was trying to get the PRV out and the damn thing snapped off on me. I thought I wanted to see if I can get this threaded bit out, and I think I'm going to have to try to use this plier. So I thought, you know, let's try it together. Oh wow, there you go, it's turning. That, no joke, is amazing. With a bit of love and patience, it works. It actually works. Oh. I can see why it broke. It's so tight. Ugh. Right, and there you have it. It's out. Get yourself a Neji-Saurus. I couldn't recommend it any more, and that's why I thought I'd physically show you guys that it does work and it does do exactly what it's intended to do.